Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Junaid and my ID is 162351697. Okay, let's start with the definition of system analysis and system design. Okay, what is system analysis? It is a process of collecting and interpreting facts, identifying the problems and decomposition of a system into its components. And what is system design? It is a process of planning a new business system or replacing an existing system by defining its components or modules to satisfy the specific requirements. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, which is system requirement specification table, which we call SLS table. And here's here are 7 functional requirement and non-functional requirements are mentioned, and define the type of the each requirements as well as the priorities of the requirements. And here is the use case diagram of online railway reservation system. For this use case diagram, I have taken 2 actors and some cases from the scenario, and then I have defined the workers of users and admin by using line, where registration case include the login case and the login case include the other cases, because login case depends on registration case and other case depends on login case. And here is the activity diagram. From the scenario, I have found 2 user, passenger and admin. So I have made activity diagram using 2 figures. In the first figure, I have used a decision for passenger login, and for the successful login I have taken some states. And in the second figure, I have used a decision for admin by using master password, and for successful login I have taken some states. And here is the ER diagram, which is entity relationship diagram. And for ER diagram I have found 5 entity from the scenario, and I have defined attributes and have made relationships between entity. Here is the entities: ticket, admin, user, and train station. Okay, the relationships between admin to user is mandatory to many, and the relationship is between user to admin is mandatory to many, and our relationship between admin to train is mandatory many train, and the relationship between admin to station is mandatory and many, and the relationships between station to admin is mandatory many, and the relationships in ticket to user is mandatory many. And the last one is sequence diagram. In the sequence diagram I have written 3 cases: train and schedule, seat, ticket, where after getting info about trains and train schedule and seat available, user can reserve tickets. At the end, I would like to say, after taking system analysis and design course, I have to say that I have learned a lot of useful things from the course. What I have learned are not only some text from the slides and PDF files, but also some useful skills. I have a better understanding of system analysis and how the whole system designed for any software. It is interesting that I've learned a lot from things, from how to design the whole pattern for the software. I can't say I'm a professional about it, but at least I know some foundational knowledge. Thanks so much.